Clark Reid here with today's tech headlines. Please give us a like if you enjoy these reports. You can tap that little like button and also subscribe by hitting the bell icon, and then you'll know when each new report is posted. Last winter, Anthropic announced Claude, and now the AI company is making it easier for developers to use Claude in more places by putting up a new web interface that accesses the agent, and Engadget.com reports that Anthropic is also releasing a preview of the agent inside its iOS app. The company has given users a warning that the mobile version is an early integration and it'll quickly be refined based on user feedback. Pro and Max users can start using Claude on the web today. Anthropic notes any cloud sessions share the same rates with all other Claude usage. The new iPhone 17 models are a hit for Apple. This year's models are outselling last year's iPhone 16 series by 14% in the first 10 days of availability in both the U.S. and China. And according to MacRumors.com, this new sell-through data from Counterpoint Research shows that the overall uplift is being led by stronger upgrades in the standard iPhone 17, particularly in China, and by a higher uptake of the iPhone 17 Pro Max among U.S. carrier customers due to enhanced subsidy plans. In China, the base iPhone 17 nearly doubled compared to the iPhone 16 based on the same initial period. And the iPhone 17 Pro Max is ahead of the 16 for the initial period, in no small part due to the big three carriers increasing the maximum subsidies by about $100. SpaceX has notched another major milestone. They have launched 10,000 Starlink satellites. ArsTechnica.com notes that the benchmark came when two Falcon 9 rockets took off from spaceports in Florida and in California Sunday afternoon. That added 56 more satellites to SpaceX's Starlink broadband network. Actually, there are now 10,006 in orbit, including a few dozen demo satellites. Starlink passed 7 million global subscribers in August. There was a huge outage early this morning for Amazon Web Services. You may be well aware of this by now, of course, but GeekWire.com is saying the outage took down several major sites and services. Thankfully, it wasn't due to a cyber attack, but an internal issue within the cloud giant's infrastructure. Facebook, Coinbase, Amazon, and even check-in kiosks at LaGuardia Airport were affected. Amazon pinned the outage on a failure of an underlying internal subsystem responsible for monitoring the health of their network load balancers. Tech experts say the outage indicates many sites have not adequately implemented redundancy needed to fall back on in other regions, or it could or other providers maybe, in the event of AWS outages. I'm Clark Reid, and you're Technified for now.